In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Amazon affiliate link for our product. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Amazon, you want to be logged in. And then you also want to be logged in on the Amazon Associates. On the Amazon Associates, what you would like to do is you want to go to Tools and you're gonna go to SiteStripe. Then on SiteStripe, we're going to click on Learn More. And here you want SiteStripe enabled. Why do we want SiteStripe enabled? So if you go to Amazon and as an example, you want to promote this product, the SanDisk SD card, with SiteStripe, if you have it enabled, here you have the gray bar. So why is the gray bar important? If you click right here on get link, boom, this is your link, people click on your link, and that is how you earn commission with Amazon. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below if this works for you. And if you would like to have more videos like this, just subscribe to the channel.